Hello friends, welcome to Dedicated Co. Dedicatedco.com helps you out to solve the technical issues. So in this video, we are going to help you how to install and use PHP Composer in Ubuntu. Please make sure that to install a Composer, we need a PHP, and how to install LAMP or any control panel, everything videos or any information is already shared in our YouTube channel. So go and watch so you can able to install a PHP or control panel or any dependencies that needs for the Composer. So let's start. Very first, we need to check PHP version. To check the PHP version, we can able to use this command, and here you can able to clearly see that 8.1 is our PHP version. After that, it is time to update some local repository list, so we can able to install the latest Composer. To do this, we can able to use this command and hit enter. Now, once our repositories has been updated, it is now time for the installation of Composer. Before that, we need to download the Composer installer. To do this, very first we will go to the temp file to avoid any confusion in overriding of files. cd space temp. It is always recommended to create some temporary directory and then only perform this operation, because if anything files get override, your system maybe important files crashed or do some issues. So better to keep some separate files and do this. And here it is a command, just enter. After doing this, it is now time to verify the key. Enter this and hit enter. Here we did something wrong. What is that? That is, we forgot to enter here key. That is what, because of this only we always say please watch entire video and then perform, so avoid the mistakes. Here we need to visit this site, so link is already given in the description, and here it is our code. Just copy this code and paste here. After that, click on enter. Now we set the Composer key. After assigning the key to the Composer, now it is time to compose official hash against our downloaded file. Means we are going to create a hash with this above key for our downloaded file. So we will do that by entering this command. Again, these all commands are already given in the description, so you can able to find the link and refer this URL and hit enter. You can see that installer verified. That means our SSH-384 key has been generated. That means our script has compiled with a new key successfully. Once done, it is time to install the Composer. Before that, you need to make sure that unzip and curl is already installed on your system. Let's start installation of PHP Composer. To do this, we can able to use this command. It will ask for the permission, say yes. Now, once we install a Composer, it is now time to make it available for whole system, so you can able to access from entire system. To do this, we can able to enter this command. We got the green signal. Once installation finish, we will check the version. So we can able to verify whether the installation has been completed or not. It will ask for the permission, yes, and you can able to see that our Composer installed successfully and it is showing 2.5.8 version. One last thing, here enter ls and you can able to see that there is one file called as composer-setup.php. That means while installing it get created, so we have to remove this file. To remove this, we can able to use this. Again ls, and you can see that that file is not available now, because this is not required after completion of Composer install. Now we will do a basic Composer usage. First, I will make a directory and I will enter into the directory. So I'm making C sample and I'm going into the directory. So I'm in the directory C sample. After that, next choose package to load. The website packageist.org has a broad range of different PHP packages for download. For example, here we will take Monologue. To load the Monologue, we can able to use this command. Hit enter and it will ask for the permission, say yes. So that means we have successfully updated Monologue library in the Composer. So this is how we can able to install Composer on Ubuntu operating system. This way, the Monologue has been downloaded by the system and it created composer.json and composer.log file. So you can able to use for your project. Make sure that this software has been downloaded